Welcome back. Now we have got into the topic called list slicing. Alright, if you remember with string slicing, we had things like hello. Let me just put up here, right? And we are able to assign into a string. Now, let's say a variable string, and we could do a string and then slice. Something we can do like this string, right? So, where we had the start, the stop, and then the step through, so that we started index of 0 and at index of 2 and then go one by one. So, list slicing is also available to us. So, let's make this cart a little bigger. Let's just say Amazon cart, which is equal to uh, notebooks, and then let's say sunglasses, and let's say toys, and grapes, right? So all right, so what we should add to our cart, actually, like we have added notebooks, sunglasses, toys, and grapes. Awesome. Now let's say I wanted to get every single item in the cart. While I can just do simply a print that variable Amazon cart, right? I can just paste it here, and I got the list, a complete list, right? Maybe I wanted to go all the way, uh, you know, up to some second item so that I can get notebooks and sunglasses. Let me just use that slicing concept. So I just use Amazon cart here. I can just simply put, you know, 0, and then I slice it up to 2. So I just simply get this notebook and sunglasses. Or maybe I wanted to go till the end, and but skip every second one. So I can just do just put here and then click. So I just got, you know, I just want, something which is the first one. I wanted to skip the second one. I got toys, skip again the grapes, and I don't have any other list, so it doesn't appear anything in here, right? And this is something interesting that we have already seen that while we are talking with strings. But what is interesting here? Remember how I said that strings are immutable. That means we can't change them, right? And we talked about this when we had a string like hello. I could do just simply say that greet is equal to hello. So if we wanted to change here, let me just, sorry. If I wanted to change greet indexing 0 to, let us say, something called Z. So here is an interesting thing. I would get an error here and saying that a string object does not support this assignment and it's immutable. But the interesting thing with list is that they are mutable so that I can change my Amazon cart. Mm, and say, let us just remove all this. So if I wanted to change my Amazon cart, let's say if I wanted to uh, put Amazon cart with as a zero index is equal to, let me just put something different from the list which I have given above. So let's say laptop. So now if I wanted to print uh, Amazon cart, now what do you think I may get here? Well, it didn't give me an error here. Lists are immutable. We simply replace on the memory bookshelf of a computer notebooks, and I say, hey, change it to laptop, and then let us do that, right? Okay, so that's awesome. But let's try something here. Um, Let me just try to do something here. Amazon cart, and I just put the square brackets and I slice it 1, 2, 3. What do you think we got here? We got sunglasses and toys. That means um, it ignores 0. It starts from 1, which is sunglasses, and goes till toys, which is at the second position, and it skips the third one, and so on, right? So that's how we got the output as sunglasses and toys. Well, that is the list slicing, and it's something we will explore a little bit more in the next couple of videos. For now, we'll take a break and I will see you in the next one. Bye.